Today I will be reviewing for you guys the 70mm dashcam Omni, and the 70mm dashcam Omni is the industry's first 360-degree full view dashcam equipped with AI motion detection and best-in-class night vision empowered by PureCell Plus S HDR. It is designed to precisely capture any suspiciousness around the vehicle, significantly maximize the surveillance capability, and intelligently avoid road safety related accidents. Here we have a nice little box. On the bottom you can see that we have 360-degree recording, motion tracking, we have superb night vision, full featured parking mode, and we have built-in voice assistant. So let's go ahead and open up the box and then see what all we have inside. Inside the box, we have two of these electrostatic stickers. We have the user manual. We have one extra adhesive sticker, and then one adhesive already comes installed onto our dash cam. So you can have this installed in two separate cars. We also have a cigarette lighter power port. And we have a pretty long USB to USB-C cable that is to power your dash cam here. And the crowbar is used to hide all of the exposed wires. And then we also have this hardwire kit. And if you want the parking sensors to work at all times, then you need to install this with your fuse box or with your battery. So this dash cam can work while you are not in the car. And the last thing we have inside the box is the 70mm dash cam Omni. And I am really in love with the two-tone color here. We have the gray and then the glossy black. Over here you can see that we have our display screen. Right below it we have our camera lens. And then we have our speaker. Also, we have our microphone. Over here, you can see that we have our power button, up or down button. And then on this side, we have our power port. And also up here, we have a mount. And once you install this onto your windshield, then you can go ahead and adjust it as you need it. We have 360-degree coverage with rotation of 340 degrees and field of view of 140 degrees. 70mm is Omni's most innovative dashcam. If you used a dashcam in the past, and you have probably bought a 360-degree dashcam where you have a camera lens in the front and in the back, but those camera lenses not necessarily will record anything to the left of the car or to the right of the car. With the 360-degree rotating camera that we have here, we have great vehicle security guard. So I am really excited to go ahead and install this onto my car and then show you guys all the features and the function of this 70mm Omni dashcam. Once you download the app and create an account, then go ahead and connect it to your car and turn this on by pressing the power button. And you can see that we have a nice LED ring.
Please connect your app to activate the dash cam.
Now we want to go ahead and connect the 70mm Omni through our Bluetooth. Go ahead and follow the steps on the screen to move forward. Soon as you click start, it will bring you to the home page of the application, and you can see that we have a preview of the dash cam. Now it is ready to record as soon as we go ahead and get everything installed. The mount with the electrostatic sticker is installed. So I was able to install the dash cam, and the crowbar made it really easy for me to tuck the wire in all the way out over here through the panel and then down all the way to the car, like going all the way down. And then I was able to get this plugged into my USB, so we are ready to go. So let's go ahead and go over some of the app features. Go into settings. You can see that we have our video encoding format. You can change your frame rate between 60 and 30 frames per second. You have our HDR, whether you want to turn it on or off. And you can adjust your guard positions and things like that, your parking or your positioning altogether. You can do calibration, you can have your motion detected. You also have the ADAS settings, So that helps you with your lane departure and things like that, which you will see in our video clips. You can select your voice control settings, you can select your language, speaker volume, key tone, recording sound, if your screen standby mode, Wi-Fi settings, camera settings, date, time. So let's go ahead and take some clips of the dash cam while I am driving during the day and nighttime to see the quality and how well it does. So what we have here is the industry's first real 360-degree, no blind spot, full view dash cam. And its 340-degree swivel design and 140 degrees of field of view camera are featured to minimize image distortions. So you guys can see here how nice and clear it looks during the day. You can see the clear skies and all the details. Looks very nice. We also have voice control with the Omni. During driving, you can control the device to record the different direction just by voice control.
Shoot right. Shoot left.
You can also record a vlog by saying shoot vlog.
Get ready to say hi to the camera.
Hey guys, let me know if you guys like the quality.
Omni achieves a 60 frames per second dynamic vision, which effectively solves the problem of motion blur, clearly capturing the license plates at high speed. Omni can detect collision while driving and parking. Emergency recording will also start 2 seconds prior to collision, so you wouldn't have to worry about missing any key evidence or details. Omni also features smart parking surveillance with AI-powered detection using algorithms. Omni can accurately detect a person's suspicious behaviors during parking and record the footage, and also activate a warning light. We also have collision detection algorithm, where it will automatically locate the suspicious activities and collisions, and Omni will turn towards that direction and start recording that footage.
Attention to pedestrians. Lane departure. Caution, front car.
MyX the Bear is your driving companion who can take your English voice commands and give you quick responses. With precise execution, we also have colorful lighting and vivid smart virtual MyX emojis. We also have extraordinary day and night optical performance with the embedded f1.5 large aperture.
Lane departure.
Upgraded chip along with the one pure cell plus S HDR technology and HDR of up to 120 decibels. Omni delivers best-in-class low-light performance and reduces noise for better image display, providing excellent color performance under ultra-high contrast conditions, such as when exiting tunnels.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
And here's a fun feature. Tech Effects Overlay, which merges live footage with high-tech sense effects, allows you to post short videos with augmented reality data onto social media. Founded in 2016, 70My is an industry-leading auto intelligence company specializing in dashcams, spanning beginner-friendly models for basic recording needs to premium 4K cameras with advanced smart feature. To date, it has built a global market presence, selling over 1.5 million dashcam in a single year with 100+ countries spanning Europe, North America, and South Asia. It also achieves the #1 market share in Russia, Malaysia, and Thailand in September 2021, with the vision to deliver a safe, comfortable, and networked experience both on and off the road. 70My is keeping dedicated to leading smart innovation that makes every journey easier. You can now pre-order your 70My Omni dashcam on the 70My website, and guess what guys, they have just launched it for the North America market, so definitely go get yourself this dashcam if you're looking for a 360-degree view. And I hope you guys enjoyed this review and all the features and functions that I went over with you guys, and help you decide which dashcam you would like to get. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.